When it's hot outside, you crank up the AC inside, and when you get the utility bill, you really overheat. Keep your cool with Socket Fan, the amazing portable remote-controlled ceiling fan you can move to any room without paying to air condition your entire home. It's so easy. Just remove the bulb from the ceiling socket, screw in Socket Fan, press the remote, and instantly you're enjoying endless waves of cool air. And it gets even cooler because Socket Fan is a 2-in-1 remote-controlled fan and light all in one. That's right, it's a variable speed fan and multiple setting light you control with the press of a button for the ultimate in comfort and convenience. And Socket Fan weighs less than 2 pounds. It's so easy for anyone to move from room to room. No bulky box fans, dangerous wiring, or expensive ceiling fans to hang. Now you can really enjoy family time in the family room and get that hot air out of the kitchen. Enjoy a high-speed cooling breeze while working hard, a gentle breeze while you're hardly working, and a cooler night's rest without sweating. Now you can keep cool in the attic, add extra light to the workbench, and stay incredibly comfortable in the garage or shed. Get Socket Fan, the go-anywhere wireless 2-in-1 fan and light combination with wireless remote and variable speed and light settings. You're cool with Socket Fan.